Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transformed these nails into these. Yes, girl, yes. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing I did is I removed my old nails and then I put a full set on of new ones. And then I shaped them into the shape that I wanted. So the next thing I did is I got my nailing acrylic powder, and I was actually running a little bit low on this, so I ended up having to add some baking powder to it. So yeah, and I just dipped it on my nails, as you can see, and I dipped it on all of my nails. And I did a few layers of this. I didn't just do one layer. So yeah, I just stroked the glue and dip, stroke and dip. Then I applied some cuticle oil, and I actually ended up running out of this too. But this time I added some baby oil in this, and this worked just as fine. So yeah, now I'm just applying some baby oil to my nails. So yeah, and I'm just rubbing it in. Rub, rub, rub. Rubbing it in. Yes. I actually did a few layers, like even though you can kind of still see the lining of where I applied the nail, I actually put quite a few layers on, like quite a few. And I just used my nail drill to file the nails down. And then I applied glitter, and I used this with clear glue, clear the the base coat, you know, just the clear base coat. And then yeah, this was the finished product, and I was actually quite proud of myself, you know, can't lie. These nails came out popping, you know what I'm saying? They just popping. Yeah, I like it. And if you like it too, you better like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend, y'all.